All right. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Tone Vays, coming to you live this Tuesday evening, New York time. I was going to do this video later, but then I know New York is going to sleep. So I wanted to get something very short and very quick out. And just as I was about to go live, I got a why can't I? Weird. For some reason I can't do application share. I got to do screen share and make sure I don't dox anything. Okay. Strange. I don't know why that is. Anyway, please go over to my Twitter because Willy Woo and Plan B have just been suspended on Twitter, which is insane because these guys don't even like sell anything. They're analysts. Like, what the hell? I spent half my freaking day deleting scam comments on my YouTube channel to the point where I'm almost turning off comments, and then these guys get banned. And then, anyway, and then people give me shit for being in Dubai. Well, yeah, Dubai doesn't really have the kind of freedom of speech that the West has. But the West has no freedom of speech because if you say something, you're going to get banned from all of these platforms. So there's like no advantage to living in the West right now, which is why I'm so much happier since I left the United States a month ago or whenever it was. And the longer I stay away from US and Canada, the happier I'll be. But this really pisses me off. So please, I don't like, I know everyone like hits me up when they get suspended and stuff, and I don't always go all out, but Willy Woo and Plan B, even though, I'm I'm good with Plan B. I'm not the biggest fan of the stock to flow model, but it doesn't matter. Like, my opinions are relevant. Like, these guys do not deserve to be suspended. That's crazy. Okay, so here's the quick Bitcoin update. Let's take a look. The weekly chart was looking amazing until a few hours ago when it pulled back. Nothing changes. Let's go to the short-term timeframes. The daily chart, so this blue line simply represented the second highest close in Bitcoin's history ever. And I wanted to see the second highest close in Bitcoin's history, but we didn't get it. So we may still get it, but this pullback on a daily scale doesn't mean anything yet. We had a very good day yesterday. Today started off as a very good day as well. Early in the morning, early in the evening, because this candle only started 3 hours ago. So we have to look at the low level time frame and see what happens. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. The last time I did this video, we were making the MRI top candle right here. And this is one of those slightly unfortunate situations where, as I said, the candle after the MRI candle is always a no trade candle. And it's kind of crazy how this candle, just in its first, this is the new candle. This candle started up big and then immediately crashed. I don't think this means all that much. The current candle is gonna make or break what's going on. I know this candle just eliminated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles worth of value. But if the current candle takes us back up to above $54,000, everything is back to go. As I said, the 4-hour MRI top usually brings a 1 to 4 candle correction, and we are still in the middle of the 1 to 4 candle correction. This correction could happen by dropping in price, and this correction could also happen just by consolidating prices with time. On a 1-hour scale, this did not reach an MRI top, so this didn't really do anything. It's just a little bit of a pullback. I don't think there's much to worry about. I'm loving the gold situation. I can now slightly raise my stop loss. I would raise my stop loss to about 1695. And this guarantees a profitable trade? Would I have taken my profit? Not yet. The big question here on gold is this simply a 1 to 4 candle dead cat bounce, or is this a turn for a more sustained upside? And we don't know. I put in the theoretical trade to I'm looking at the live chat. Hold on a second. I mean, most likely Willy Woo and Plan B got banned because shitcoiners don't like them. So, I mean, that's probably what happened. And the shitcoiners just mass reported them. Okay, so we don't know if this is a 1 to 4 candle correction or a more sustained rally. So we play it as it goes. My target on gold is still Lambo. And I'm just going to keep raising my stop loss until I see a reason to take profit at the top. And that's it. The S&P 500. Remember that trade I did yesterday real quick? And so the first time I set the stop loss and the stop loss got missed by a few ticks, that wasn't luck, that was skill. But when I raised that stop loss and it was missed by a couple of ticks on 2 separate candles, that was luck. Okay, so so there's your difference. Okay, when I set my initial stop loss, it was right there. There was a reason for that, and we missed it. And I call that skill in knowing where to set a stop loss. Then after this big candle did not reach my target, I raised that stop loss to a random area, which happened to be just smidge lower than where these candles went. And this is luck, not skill. Okay. And of course, we did not hit my stop loss, and the target was met. The target was exceeded. As I said yesterday, this was a short-term day trade that would have been actually significantly profitable, even though it was dangerous considering you're going long after a big run-up. And that's it. That is my lightning quick update. Please help bring Willy Woo's and Plan B's accounts on Twitter back, even though I hate Twitter with a passion, which is also why I cross-post everything on Gab and I cross-post everything on Mastodon, the bitcoinhackers.org federated chain of Mastodon, okay? And one day I will be also out of Twitter. I have a free Learn Trading tutorial on tonevays.com, Learn Trading. For those interested in more advanced versions of learning how to trade, please check out the on-demand videos. And those interested in trading with the MRI indicator, please take a look at that. Someone just asked me to look at TLT. Sure, I will look at TLT. TLT has rallied. Beautiful. This is, of course, expected here. As I said yesterday, I would be entering long trades here with a stop loss right below the swing low because I think that the interest rate's going to turn and the TLT is going to rise. And I wish I put a green line here. I thought I did. So I don't really know where in yesterday's candle I would have entered. But we're just going to pick the opening price. Instead of cherry picking high or low, we're just going to pick the opening candle, and I will make this line green. I don't know what happened there. I'm just going to make this line green. And if we go up again tomorrow, I will already consider putting a break-even stop loss in. It's all about, safe trades to stay risk averse. That's it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll probably do another video in a few hours, but I wanted to get this in before the East Coast of the United States goes to bed. And maybe in 2-3 hours, I'll do another video because I'm going to the beach. So it would be a nice little scenic